and today we are going to make a drink called, I just call it a summer drink. The name's still a work in progress. Okay, also, right after this video, probably today, later today, I'm gonna make my Adopt Me egg hatching series. So, yeah, you can look forward to that, and let's start this video. So the stuff you'll need are 7-Up, cranberry juice, a cup, ice and possibly berries. I just chose strawberries, and a straw. Okay, so the first step you're gonna have to do is get your cup and also get your 7-Up. And just pour some of it into the cup. And then make sure you only put it like, don't fill it all the way up because you still need to pour some cranberry juice. Okay, so the second step is just do the same thing except with the cranberry juice. The juice and the 7-Up. The next step is you have to get your ice and possibly berries if you want. I just put like chocolate strawberries. Looks delicious. Okay, the next step is get your straw and then put it in your drink. Then you're done. Okay, that's pretty much it. So, yeah, I'm probably gonna make the egg hatching Adopt Me video, and probably my next cooking video is gonna be eggs, because someone already requested it. Also, if you have some art ideas, just send a comment down below. Okay, please subscribe if you're new, and like and click the notification